Hey guys, this is Darian Tutorials, and this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB flash drive. If you want to download a version of Windows from a torrent website and don't want to burn it on the disk, you just want to use your USB, that's what this video will help you out with. So, as you can see here, I've downloaded Windows 8 and used bootable USB flash drive. I've actually given it to a few friends. So, this is how you're going to do it. First off, if you look on the right side of my screen, that's a whole entire list of everything that's going to be said in this video. So if you need to go back and look at anything, it's all just right there. That way you don't have to rewind the video. So first off, what you need to do, make sure you have a USB flash drive and an ISO image for your version of Windows, Mac, whatever you're going to do. So once you have that, open up Command Prompt, and then you need to go to Disk Partitioner. So you're just going to type in disk part. Now, you want to run this as an administrator. If you don't, it's just going to prompt you to click yes to have administrator. Oh, what's the word? Not restrictions, but whatever. So you want to wait for Disk Partitioner to load up. Alright. And then type in list disk. Alright, this gives you a whole entire list of any disks that you have on your computer. You can see my disk 0 is my hard drive because it's 298 gigs, but my flash drive is a 4 gig flash drive, and 3800 megabytes is pretty much 4 gigs, so I know that's what mine is. If you don't know which disk to select, go ahead and just select a random one, maybe just one that you think will work. Select it and then type in detail disk. And it gives you a drive letter J. So I'm going to open up Windows Explorer and look, and as you can see, J. So I picked the right one. Now, where did my disk partitioner go? Oh, here it is. Alright, so once you have it selected, you want to go ahead and clean it out. And then create a partition. So I'm only typing with one hand, so it's taking me a little while. Alright, so you're going to type in create partition primary, and once that has been created, you want to go ahead and select it. Just by, oh, spelled something wrong. You're just going to type in select partition 1. Alright, and once it's selected, activate it by typing active. And now here comes the formatting. Formatting can take anywhere from a minute to an hour. It just depends on how big your flash drive is. So mine's already formatted how it needs to be, so I'm not going to go ahead and reformat it. It won't ruin it. It just, that way I don't have to format it and pause the video and everything. I'm just going to skip the formatting process, but you're going to type in format fs equals fat 32, and you're going to want to let that format. So once that is done, come back. Okay, once you're done formatting, you want to exit out of disk partitioner. So just type in exit, or you can just simply exit out of it, whatever. Alright, now here is the easy part. You're going to want to open up your ISO image. So let me get that open real quick. That's not the right thing. Where is my Windows 8? whatever. So once you open up your ISO image, it's gonna show up something like this. If it doesn't happen like that, you're gonna need to mount your ISO image, download like virtual clone drive or anything that you can use to actually mount ISO images. But once you actually get it opened up, select everything in the ISO image, drag it over to your USB, and it says I need to format it only because I cleaned it without reformatting it. But yeah, that's what you'll do. You shouldn't have any problems with that. If you have any troubles, just get at me on Twitter. I have name right there. I will have a separate Twitter for this tutorial thing soon enough, but it's work in progress. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and even follow me on Twitter. Thanks, guys.